Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and proximity because pairing requires both devices active. Make sure AirPods Pro 3 are in their case and the lid is open. On your iPhone, enable Bluetooth in Settings or swipe to Control Center. You need the device unlocked to accept the prompt. Hold the case near the phone. The iPhone will scan automatically. Once you see the animated setup card, you're ready to proceed. This avoids delays from low battery or locked screens and speeds up the connection. When the Connect card appears, tap it promptly. That handshake exchanges settings and firmware info so your iPhone recognizes the AirPods. Follow prompts to test the seal and select noise control preferences. These steps tune transparency and active noise cancellation for your ears. If asked, confirm you want to use your Apple ID so the AirPods sync to iCloud and automatically pair with other devices. Make sure to install any firmware updates if offered, because updates fix bugs and improve performance. After you tap Done, open Bluetooth settings to confirm the AirPods Pro 3 appear and show battery levels. This verifies a successful connection. Use Control Center to switch between noise modes and to choose your AirPods as the audio output so you hear sound. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods. Put them in the case. Hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then repeat pairing. This clears stubborn pairing records and resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.